All right, here we go. It's time for the Legal Minute with Martin Harding and Mazzotti at 1-800-LAW-1010. Got the Paul man in this week. Hey, Paul.
Hey, good morning, guys. Good morning.
Good morning. Okay, so pet leasing is new to me. Actually, I've never heard of it before, and now they're looking at prohibiting it?
So there is legislation in California which has prohibited it. New York has come around and said that we've got a statute that they are pushing through the legislature, and here in Vermont, they're looking at it. And the general theme is this. You go to the pet store, and boy, it's your kid is with you maybe. You see this amazing animal, and they look like they're in a cage, and you want to rescue, right?
Right.
But it's $1,000 or $800 or more.
Pricey.
And it's just outside of your budget, and they say, well, it's okay. We can go ahead and lease it to you. And you're going to get a monthly payment, and at the end of 2 years, kind of like a car payment or furniture, at the end of 2 or 3 years, you will now own the pet. And it's that sense of predatory lending, high interest rates, but you got a pretty captive audience, and so they're looking at, is this fair?
Right. So, first of all, people will stop paying or they can't make payments. What happens then?
Well, it's funny. So they have in the contracts that they can repossess, right?
Oh,
so you can imagine you buy this little guy for, $1,000, but now he's a year old and it's probably worth nothing. Right. So, or you come into someone's house, you're going to say, pull them out from someone's house.
No way.
They don't do that a lot, but it does say that in the contract.
Yeah, they try to sell that paint protection with it too, and you can't buy into that.
That's right. That's right.
Don't do it. Yeah, that's pretty rough. So they're thinking about getting rid of that altogether now.
Well, yeah, they are in certain states, and I know Vermont here, we're looking at it to do, but it is just one of those things. You catch people at a time right before Christmas, and they want to buy something for their kid. But literally, the one contract I looked at, it was a $1,200, very expensive dog, but by the time you were done in 2.5 years, it was almost $3,000 you were paying. So the interest rate is astronomical.
High interest.
So that's what's wrong, too, and you end up paying like triple.
Yeah.
Wow.
You sure do. Yeah.
Well, be careful if you're thinking about doing that. Paul, thanks for the info.
Yeah, great information.
Okay, guys. Absolutely.
Martin Harding and Mazzotti at 1-800-LAW-1010.